Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a simple Python module which actually does the web scraping and actually scrapes the live currency rate of all the currencies in the world and displays the result in the terminal. So you need not have to use any sort of API key, paid API for building any sort of currency kind of an application, currency converter. So we have using this, you will see we have a set of currencies, USD to AUD, Australian dollar. So we are converting this. If I execute this Python script, you will see it will exactly fetch the live rate from Google using web scraping, using beautiful soup in the background. And it is exactly telling me that 100 USD is equal to 154.17 AUD. You can even cross check as well by just typing here 100 USD to AUD, and then it will exactly fetch this rate, live rate from Google. You will see round about 155.51. So right, it's correct. You can use any currency. Let's suppose I want to change this to USD to INR, Indian rupees. So you will see it will be like this. Let me refresh it. 100 USD is equal to 8509 INR. So you can just, so it is fetching this all this data from live from google.com. So in the background it is fetching this data. So 8563, if you see that roundabout, it is correct. So this is actually a free module inside Python. You can install this simple currency converter. So if you just go to this website, just search for this module. So the command is simple. Simply install this by executing this command, pip install simple currency converter. So it's a third-party module made by somebody. And once you install this, you can even use it in the command line as well by going to command line, just typing here. First of all, let me show you how to use it in the actual script. So first of all, you simply import this module from simple currency converter. You need to import this function here, convert, and then you basically use this convert function and specify the currency name that you want to convert from. So I will say I want to convert from USD to euro, and then you specify the value. So 100 USD in euros I need to convert, and then you simply print the result. 100 USD is equal to that much of euro. So if you just execute this application, so 100 USD is equal to 8937485 euro. So roundabout, you'll see it is correct result 8930. So in this way guys, you can see we are not using any sort of API key. You can use this unlimited number of time for completely free. I recently explored this module last week. So if you go to their website, they do have a nice little documentation, and they also have all the currency code stored. So if you do this, it has the crypto codes as well. So cryptocurrencies also, I think it's available. You'll see it will return a JSON object which will contain all the currency codes: USD dollar, euro, British pound, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Japanese, Indian rupee. All the major currencies are there, and you can even print out cryptocurrencies as well. I think crypto codes are also there, and then you can print out everything. You can see that it also contains this cryptocurrencies as well. I think you can see. So you can check out their documentation. It's actually behind the scenes. It is using beautiful soup, and also it is using this API here. So you can see no rate limits are there. So there is no limits out there. You can use it unlimited number of times you're developing some kind of web application involving currencies and cryptocurrencies. You can even use it in the command line as well. After installing this, I think you can even, but at the time is it is not working, but you can try this. It's a great module. And I think let me explore this example and just ask here chat GPT to make a cryptocurrency converter. So I will just say modify this example to change Bitcoin to Ethereum. So yeah, so it doesn't work with cryptocurrencies. It just works with the flat currencies, I think. Yeah, so you can use this for flat currencies conversion from one currency to another. It typically works. It's a great module. You can see that. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.